Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Mahindra & Mahindra. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Mahindra & Mahindra with a SOTP based revised price target of Rs 3,431 due to a healthy order book in the PV segment, market leadership in the tractor segment, opportunity to grow in the farm machinery segment, and its roadmap to play in the EV space. In its analyst day, Mahindra & Mahindra displayed battery electric vehicles that would be launched from early 2025. In overseas tractor market, Mahindra & Mahindra plans to enter in Asian in calendar year 24 and in Western Europe in calendar year 25. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 25.1 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 17.8 times its FY26 estimates. Next we cover Iris Clothing. Our analyst maintains positive view on Iris Clothing with an upside potential of 32% over the next 12 months. Revenue would clock a 37% CAGR over FY24 to 26, driven by focus on product diversification and wider distribution coupled with robust demand. Better product mix, higher share of infant wear, increasing ASP of products by value addition, and rising contribution from EBOs will drive up margins. Improvement in profitability and reduction in the working capital days will drive the return profile, with ROE rising to 29% and ROCE rising to 35% in FY26 from 19% and 26% in FY24 respectively. The stock trades at 16 times its FY25 and 11 times its FY26 EV by EBITDA respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.